muscular agility and flexibility. So once again, monkey dance or sayo ng unggoy. So watch out po sometimes they bite. So once again, we are imitating the movement of a monkey. And that is the highlight of the monkey dance of open wing. Okay, so sa naman masyadong titingala, baka iba'y makita. Ayan, so that is the big round of dance for the monkey dance. Before sending them, they are doing this ritual to ask guidance from their God Apo na Manyari to give them a victorious fight and a peaceful solution over this feud. At naniniwala po sila yung pinakamagaling daw na mananayaw ang siyang tatanghalin pinakamagiting na mandirigma para sa kanilang tribo. So once again, war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani or binabayani. And by the way, they are holding real bows and arrows o yung tinatawag nating pana o palasok sa Tagalog. And accidentally po, nare-release na yung mga arrow nila. Sigilan na lang po tayo kasi po madalas natatamaan mga naka-jogging pants na yellow. Ay, gano'n.